Let us solve this trigonometry sum. Solve the equation 3 sin square 2x equal to cos square 2x for x lies between 0 and 180. Question is, you need to find the values of x in this interval satisfying this condition. 3 sin square 2x equal to cos square 2x. Okay. Now, to solve it and find values of x in this equation, two trigonometric ratios are present. They are sine and cos. I should make them into one. For that, I am dividing both sides by cos square 2x. So, dividing by cos square 2x. Once we divide, these two cancel out, left out with 1. And on this side, sine by cos will result in tan. You have square present on both of them, so resulting in tan square. Here in each you have 2x, so resulting in tan square 2x. Now make tan square 2x the subject. Send 3 to the other side. So tan square 2x equal to 1 by 3. Now sending square to the other side, I get plus or minus under root 1 by 3. Okay. I should solve for both positive under root 1 by 3 as well negative under root 1 by 3. See. When tan 2x equal to positive 1 by 3 and tan 2x equal to negative under root 1 by 3. First, where all is tan positive? We have all silver tea cups. Tan is positive in first and third. So 2x equal to get an angle in the first, it's directly tan inverse under root 1 by 3. To get an angle in the third, it is 180 plus tan inverse under root 1 by 3. Okay. See here, it's 2x. Given condition is x lies between 0 to 180. For x to lie between 0 to 180, what all interval does 2x should lie? To get that, multiply this entire thing by 2. That will result in 0 less than 2x less than 360. If the values of 2x are between 0 and 360, only then x will lie between 0 and 180. Clear? Okay. Now, if you put this in the calculator, you get 30. If you put this in the calculator, you get 210. These are the values of 2x. To get the values of x, divide by 2. So values of x equal to 15 and here I get 105. Now let us see when it is negative. Where all is tan negative? Negative in second and fourth. To get an angle in second quadrant, we do 180 minus tan inverse under root 1 by 3. Again you will not take negative sign here. The negative sign helps you to select the quadrant. Its work is done over there. Okay. Now, to get an angle in the fourth, we need to do 360 minus. Okay. Now, if I put this in the calculator, I get the answer to be 150. And if I put this, I get 330. Okay. These are the values of 2x. To get the values of x, divide by 2. So x equal to 75 and over here I get 165. So these are the 4 values of x in this interval satisfying the equation. Okay.